Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I had a revision rhinoplasty at Dr. Marotta's. The second I walked in the office, I felt home. You know, it was just like a perfect fit. I had gone to many other places before, and I didn't feel the same way. So as soon as I walked in, I thought, oh my God, I really like this place. I hope it works out. And from the minute you're greeted by the nurses and everyone that works here, I just felt like a positive vibe immediately. You know, like it was meant to be. And when I met Dr. Marotta and we discussed my situation, and I just felt, I can't explain it, I felt so comfortable. They're just so welcoming. You know, it's hard to put words to it. They just, you know, again, you go to different offices and there's a different lower key vibe, and just here, everyone just, it's like they want to know you, they want you to be comfortable. They're just so sweet and loving, and you feel like family. You just feel welcoming. The day of surgery, I was slightly nervous, not like I was my first surgery many moons ago, because I just felt like I was in good hands. Oh, recovery was amazing. I mean, he said there'd be bruising and there'd be a lot of pain. I mean, if I had a little bit of bruising, I didn't even notice it. Didn't need pain medication. I mean, I feel like it was a breeze. It really was. Well, I had my first surgery a long time ago, probably 18 years ago, and I was never happy with it. It was somebody that I knew. I didn't do any research. I just felt comfortable with the person because I knew them, but it was never right from the very beginning. I was so desperate to get something done, and I wasn't happy about it. And as I got older and years went by, I said, I can't look at myself in the mirror anymore. Something's got to be done. And my husband said, you know, go for it. You've never been happy. Find someplace else. And I came here, and you know, he knew right away. He took one look at me and he knew, because it shifted. My first surgery, as years went on, it changed. And the first surgery, they didn't even address my profile. I always hated my profile. He was like, no, you don't need it. You have a very bulbous nose. We'll just shape it. The profile's fine. You don't want to do anything that's not going to fit your face. But I felt like I had such a small face compared to, but Dr. Marotta right away, you know, he said, yes, no, you should have had this done and that done. And I'm not going to be able to give the legal jargon that he said, but you know, he said, no, I could see it right away. And then the added bonus was that when he looked into my nose, he saw that I had a hole in my septum. And that alleviated years and years and years of other doctors. It's allergies, you can't breathe, you have a sinus infection. I mean, I would get 3 sinus infections a year. And had no idea, no one told me. And Dr. Marotta was the one who discovered that I needed to have the septoplasty. And I haven't had a sinus infection. I haven't had a migraine. I haven't had sinus pain. I mean, just that alone would have been wonderful. But to now feel good about myself, and Dr. Marotta addressed my profile, I feel like I look 20 years younger. I really do. My before picture and my after picture is like amazing. I proudly boast. I really do. A lot of women like to, you know, hide and not think they had anything done. I proudly boast about it.